Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you. Good morning, hello, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this, good evening. Welcome to, of course, Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Let me see if I can turn this down, the notifications. Let's get rid of that, because it never fails. Notifications, ring volume, hold on, turn all that down. I've been on this natural hair journey forever, for maybe 10 years, and I normally blow my hair dry and flat iron it. I've wore braids quite often here in the past couple years, either with my own hair or some additions added to it. And several years ago, I started following this young lady named Jeanette J. Beauty for the natural hair care. And here recently, I'm watching Trish, and also there's who's this gentleman, Dickie, just recently. But anyway, and anywho, this past week I've been just washing my hair, the wash and go, and then doing the I want to say pre-poos, not at that, I can't think of it, co-wash, where after I've washed your hair, the next day you just get in the shower, rinse it out, put more conditioner in it, rinse that out, and then add your conditioner, like leave-in conditioner, your curl definer, perhaps some gel. Been doing that, but my hair draws up quite a bit. It draws up. So when I used to follow Jeanette J Beauty, I did her, I think these are called twist outs, I'm not sure. Now these little balls here, my hair, like these back ones, they curled up, just two of them, but my hair, the ends are straight, so I twist it up, and this part is always straight. It doesn't curl up. And I'm not sure what that's from. It could be from using the flat iron all the time. Well, not all the time. Used to be, but I clip my hair and it's still straight. So I curled these little ends up because I didn't want, like this past week when I did the wash and go, it was all wavy and whatever, but the ends were straight. So I wanted to see with this twist out, and I wanted to twist it out to pull my hair a little longer instead of it just shrinking. It shrinks so much. So I wanted to see, I haven't done this here technique in several years. I just wanted to see again what this does for my hair. It's a little more work. It's a lot more work because you have to twist it out, twist it up, and I set up under a dryer for about 20 minutes and then I let it completely air dry. So let me get these out. And they're just these cloth rollers with wire in them. And you just twist. I am trying not to use heat on my hair other than sitting under that hair dryer for 15 or so minutes. But I don't want to use flat irons. I don't want to blow my hair out. That extreme heat is not good for your hair. I just want to see this process. So let's get started. Let's take these things out and see what's going to happen. I'm going to start with the back. And what I put in my hair, I washed it and conditioned really, really good. Let that stay in my hair while I showered. Rinse that out, and then I just used gel this time. Just two types of gel. One is an African Pride gel, and then the other, I think it was a Hawaiian Silky. I'll have to get those out. I'm not sure. So the hair is soft. And then always in the evening, that's what I say, when you go to sleep, put something on your hair. It gets hot. You may go through your flashes, your summer, what do you call those things? Because I don't have them. Summer, what are they called? Personal summers, I don't know. Use a bonnet in your home, not outside, not going anywhere. Use a bonnet, a silk lined bonnet. This is really good for your hair. so your hair doesn't break off or snatch or whatever while you're asleep. And I use silk pillowcases as well. So these are handmade, hand sewn, not hand sewn, but handcrafted. I make these. So if you're in need of a bonnet, let me know. Okay, back to this hair. So I'm just at first just going to unloosen the twist. Now when I did the last week of the wash and go, I used, what do you put in your hair? Um, a conditioner, a definer, and a type of gel as well. Or you can use a mousse. There's several different ways you can do it. And the hair to me is not as soft. Like this is really, really soft so far. Really soft. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. So I'm just unraveling these twists. And then this way, see, I have more defined coils, more defined curls, as opposed to, I don't know if you can see my hair is right here. It's not, it's just wavy. It's just not curled. Like this area here, this is how my wet wash and goes would be, with just these waves, and it would look okay, but it would be real big and really shrunk up. So I'm gonna see how long this lasts. I hope it at least lasts me 3 days, and then I'll wash it and do a, never can think of it, co-wash, and then next week I'll do the whole wash again with what is it, a phosphate free, not sulfite free, sulfur free shampoo. I was trying to find a lather free shampoo, but they are quite expensive right now for my budget. I went to Sally's, and it was like, how much was that shampoo? 8 ounce bottle, $12. Not yet. So they recommended a sulfur free, sulfite free shampoo, and said if it doesn't have sulfites in it, it won't lather. That's a lie, because I got the African Pride, and it's a really good shampoo, and it's real creamy and silky, but it lathered. So, but that's what I used when I washed my hair this time. Okay, is that all of them in the back? Yep. So we got this. Got one more. And so you can kind of tell, even with those little rollers in my hair, that these ends just don't coil up like the rest of my hair. Okay, I'm liking this because I like the length. So then you can take these pieces, so like it's twisted, right? You can take these pieces and separate them to make your hair fuller. Or, you can leave them like this. I'm going to separate a little bit and pull on them. That's a lot of hair, so I'm going to separate that. And these back ones, separate them. I'm separating and pulling and pulling. I'm liking this a lot better. This is what I'm looking for. It just takes longer, a little more work. But this is, like I said, what I used to do following Jeanette J. Beauty. She does these, and she does different types of styles, where you can twist your hair up and have it pulled back, and just a bunch of different styles. I just went with the simplest. And then as the day goes on, the hair, the coils will drop a little bit. For now, I don't really know how to style it. I don't want to pull it out too much. That's a big one. That's a big one. Separate those. I don't want it to get frizzy by doing too much separation. So let me leave well enough alone, I guess. I say that and keep moving, right? I keep doing it. Okay. So there we have it. Oh, and I did use, let's see, I did use some oil in my hair. So after the shampoo, I put it in sections, and each section I put some oil in it, and then I put the gel and comb it through with this big wide comb, and then I add the second gel, and then I twisted it, and did each section like that. And then when I was done, sat under that hair dryer, maybe up to a half hour, if that. And it was pretty dry, but I didn't want to take it out until I took it out. This was yesterday that I did that, so I took it out for you all this morning so you can see. And it's kind of cute. So you can lay your edges down. The little brush. I could have had a straighter part, but I'm not going to pull through it. I could have had a straighter part. And then you can lift up with this type of rat tail comb, to get rid of your parts. Let me stop, because it's frizzy right here, and I didn't want it to be frizzy. I'm going to tuck that in. Pull it apart too much. Yeah, that little piece right there. So I'm going to stop right now. Tuck that in. Okay, let me show you what I used. The shampoo and the conditioners and the gels. Okay, so in the shower, I shampooed with the Moisture Miracle African Pride shampoo. And it does say sulfate free. But the lady at the place told me sulfate is usually lather free. It lathers. It's okay. And then I conditioned with this. What is it? Procaxi oil conditioner. And this is what I left in my hair in the shower while I was bathing. Rinsed it out, and then put it in sections and applied. I've had this for a while, and so I used the rest. There's not much left in here. I used this at first. It's a Hawaiian Silky. It's a gel activator, so I put some of this throughout my hair. And then the main gel that I used was the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Curl Defining Gel by African Pride. I'm frugal. See how that's straight? I'm frugal. I can't afford the expensive shampoos and lather-free shampoos and conditioners. Not yet anyway. So I'm using what I have or what I can afford, and it's not bad. It's not bad. It's soft. So enough babbling. Get my day started, and it is what it is. It's not the greatest, but it's okay. Like, I'm not satisfied with a few areas. The straight part is what irritates me, and then I got it frizzy. So I got to get downstairs and get it going on. Got a couple bucket hats to make, and a few other things that I have started on. Did I bring? This is my ritual. It's like I have to have a necklace on, and I have to have earrings. It's like part of my life. Can't help myself. So we're going to do this, and I'm going to get up out of your hair and hope that you have a beautiful day, a productive day. Put that one on. Where's the other one? And I'm going to keep it moving. So I think that's all I want to say. Just show you the little journey here that I'm trying out. My goal for this month is not to use that blow dryer, not to wash my hair and blow dry it out, and definitely not to use the flat irons. Yeah, my goal for the month of November, and we're gonna see what December brings in the new year, is to uh, do these wash and goes, co-washes, twist outs, things of that nature. We're gonna see. Y'all like? What y'all think? I don't know if I covered my parts in the back. I can't tell. I can't see. I guess when I look at this video, I'll see. Peace and love. We'll see ya. See you soon. Toodles. Have a great one. Turn it off. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.